Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Toyota Corolla cabin air filter. First, open your glove box and remove everything inside. Next, carefully detach the dampener arm on the right side of the glove box. Then, press in on both sides of the glove box to release the stopper tabs, allowing it to swing down completely. This will expose the cabin air filter housing, usually a rectangular plastic cover. You're now ready for the next step. Now that the housing is visible, locate the two clips, one on each side holding the cover in place. Gently unclip these and remove the housing cover. With the cover off, you can now see the old cabin air filter. Carefully slide it out of its slot. Pay close attention to the airflow arrow printed on the side of the old filter. This is crucial for correct installation of the new one. Keep this orientation in mind. Before inserting the new filter, double-check its airflow arrow. It must point in the same direction as the old one, typically downwards. Carefully slide the new cabin air filter into the housing slot until it's fully seated. Make sure it fits snugly without bending. Once the new filter is in place, reattach the housing cover, ensuring the two clips snap firmly into position. This secures the filter and housing. To finish up, lift the glove box and push in the sides to re-engage the stopper tabs. Then, reattach the dampener arm on the right side. Once the glove box is securely back in place, you can return all your items. Replacing your cabin air filter regularly improves air quality and HVAC efficiency. Check the description for a link to the simple path to wealth and other great deals. This simple maintenance task can save you money and keep your car's interior air fresh.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.